Welcome everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how to implement the ads and building the game in very less time. Let's get started. First of all, open the Unity Hub and go to the top right corner and there will be a I click on this and there will be a Unity ID. Click sign in and enter the email and the password provided by the company. After logging into the Unity ID, you have to open the project. So here it is my project and what I want to do is first I need to implement the ads. So here there is a image provided to you by the company regarding your game. So this is my game name and this is my game ID. I want to use this game ID into the project and even this rewarded video placement ID, interstitial placement ID and banner placement ID. The first step what I am going to do is go to window and go to package manager, and in package manager there is a package called advertisement. Click on this thing and install this advertisement package. I had already installed this advertisement package so that I can able to proceed further. And the next step what I want to go is I want to open the services tab which is right here. So to access this services tab, go to window and go to general, and from in the general you need to go to the services so that you can able to access these services. So what my next step is I want to choose an organization. Since I have a already Unity ID, so click on there. I had already a Unity project ID, and next select this organization. Or here there is called KDMBZ and select the project. There are lot tons of project right here. So I am going to choose my project and link my project to that ID. After that, there is a so you are seeing a dashboard right here. So go to add destination, don't take this thing, and go to services and go to ads, enable this ads. After enabling this ads, keep this thing into test mode and go to advanced and keep it as it is and go back to services and then next. So now I'm going to create a ad manager game object. So let me create ad manager. So in this ad manager, let's I have already created a script called ads manager script. This script will be provided by the company. So this is the ads manager script and it consists of banner, how to implement the banner ad, interstitial ad, and rewarded video ad right here. So here enter the game ID here and banner ad should be enter like it should be case it is case sensitive. Every spelling should be correct like this. For suppose banner, I have typed as banner. You should type like this. And similarly for interstitial and rewarded video ad. So next I am going to use this drag this ad manager into prefabs so I can able to reuse it again. So and enable test mode right here. Why? Okay, I will say this thing later. And go to gameplay scene. So I want to display the ad when I click pause button. So right now what I have to do is I want to drag the ad manager right here. Why? Because there is no ads manager into the hierarchy. So what I want to do is so first of all I am going to click this pause button. So by clicking the pause I am going to display the interstitial ad. So go to the plus sign right here and drag this ad manager and ads manager and I am going to display the interstitial ad. After you adding adding a mechanic to the pause button. So let's go to the pause game over panel, and let's do it one more example right here. So go to retry, and here you need there is a retry manager. So and let's click on this thing, drag that don't drag this ad manager right here, and go to ads manager, and click on show video rewarded video ad. So for retry button, skip rewarded video ad, and go to back to menu, keep interstitial. So after applying this thing, apply to the pass menu, and you can apply anywhere on the game, like go to scene, for suppose in settings, um, you can able to add an ad for this back button, and for menu scene you can able to add, you can able to add the ad here even when I click the help. So you can add the ads everywhere. So let's test the ads right now, and I'm going straight. And there is one more method I want to say. So for suppose if I am going to loading screen, so I want to load a scene right here, load a ad right here. So I have created a loading scene script, so that, and I have type a code here. So I am finding an object ads manager, and I am showing interstitial ad. So if you type like this, the ad will be work. The ad will be displayed. So go to scenes and let's test out this. Test it out. And when I'm going to click it, wait a minute. Don't add this. Don't add this type of code here. It is not working well. I have removed that and load soon. So let's test it as one more time. So I had played the game, and the scene is not. So I came the game over. So if I click retry, and it's displays a rewarded video ad, and it displays the game. So if I click the back to menu, it displays an ad. So the next thing what I want to do is, and last and foremost, is the how to build a application. So go to the player, and from here the company name should be getgames.cr, and the product name should be any name, but it should end with cr, and autopilot cr, and the version should be 1.0. Everything is working good fine, and default icon, while you are playing a game, take a screenshot of your game and crop it to the smaller size and place it right here, and you go to icon. For icon, I was it is not, let me take it taking some time. And now it's loaded. uh, no need for go to ion, and go to resolution and presentation. If your game is landscape, please click on landscape left, and or go with this thing auto rotation, and click these two things. If your game is portrait, omit these two things, and keep these two things. My game is landscape, so I am keeping landscape light and landscape left. Next, for flash image, by default it will look like this. So go to draw mode, unity, click all sequential, and add here it is Unity file. So Unity, and add the sprite here. This sprite will be provided by the company. On of After adding the image to the logo, and go to other settings, and we'll keep this color space to gamma, and set minimum API level to Android 4.4 KitKat, and the target API level is automatic, and the splitting backbend should be IL2 CCP, and check this ARM64 tick box, tick it, and so this should be implemented. So then the final one is go to, and we need to make a create a key for the project. So go to Key Store Manager, click on this, create new one, and a dedicated location, and create a user file name in your project. Go to Unity projects, my projects, and directly go to the project where I am using it. So already I am using this user.keystore. So if you don't have this user.keystore name, create save the file here. So I have already saved this user.keystore. So the password, enter the password right here, and so if you have the version before 2020, keep this release mode on Gradle. If you have Unity version 2020, if you don't see this thing, you will see a release but release, and with this type of box, click on the release button if you have Unity version 2020. So this is the process of um, making a and implementing an ads and building the game. After testing your games on your mobile, if the ads are working good, go to ads and disable the test mode, and even disable the test mode here or here too. So and everywhere. So in my scenes, my gameplay, and it will be and disabled here also. So hope you like this video, and this is the video of implementing the ads and building the app in very short time. Thank you.